This is a self-assessment for shoulder internal rotation. And so we're going to set this up making sure that your humerus is kind of lining up with your shoulder blade. So your shoulder blade is lying at an angle on your rib cage, because that's a round thing there. So we want the humerus to be pointing slightly forward instead of right out this way. So here we go. And for internal rotation, you want to really make sure that it's no scap involvement. So as soon as this starts to roll, that's a scap. So we're here, and we're going to come down and see what we have for internal rotation. And so if you are an athlete who is snatching, you need a certain amount of internal rotation to do that. If you are bench pressing, especially if you arch a lot, you need a certain amount of internal rotation to bench press. So if you stop here and you're benching, it's probably going to be bugging your shoulder at some point. If you stop here and you're trying to snatch, it's going to be bugging your shoulder at some point. If you do sumo deadlift high pulls and you have this internal rotation, it's going to bug your shoulder at some point. So we basically just want to make sure that you have that internal rotation. If you don't, we would, again, put you on an incline press for benching. And then same thing with a snatch. It's definitely going to be much better for your shoulders if you develop that range before you start really loading that position. All right.